Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We are back again with another interesting recipe. Do you want to achieve that youthful, healthy skin? Do you want to look years younger? This video is all about that. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make collagen boosting drink. Anti-aging drink that will help you stay beautiful. It will help you look younger and fresher. So stick around till the end of this video. I actually have two parts of this video. You can choose any of the recipe that is okay and comfortable with you. So top on the list of this recipe are my strawberries and avocados. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants that slows down aging process, and avocados are rich in healthy fats that helps your body or your skin to hold water and stay moisturized. It actually nourishes the skin. When you talk about beautiful skin, avocados are so important. So the moment you turn 25 to 30 years, your body starts losing its ability to make collagen, and collagen is responsible for that bountiful and youthful, like the elasticity of your skin. So when you lose collagen, that's how you start aging slowly. So this recipe is nutrient dense. All of this recipe combination is rich in antioxidant, vitamin C. Vitamin C fights aging like crazy. It is rich in those nutrients that you need in order for your skin to stay beautiful and glowing. If you want to look beautiful, it is more of what you put on the inside that determines how your skin will look. Let me tell you, 80% of what you eat is going to show on your skin, and the remaining percentage is what you apply externally. So mangoes is another perfect anti-wrinkle buster. Like, it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, it is rich in antioxidant. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also boosts collagen production. It increases the elasticity of the skin. It is so good. When you talk about healthy skin, you talk about mangoes. They are so good on the skin. It is very important. It prevents acne breakout. It boosts your immune system. It's good for healthy skin. It improves skin tone and quality, and it's so good. So all of these recipes are rich in antioxidant and vitamin A, vitamin C, which is so good. It prevents premature aging and also protects your skin from sun damage. Sun exposure to the sun is another cause of aging, so it's going to protect your skin from sun damage from ultraviolet rays. So this recipe is so good. You need to incorporate it in your diet. You can have it twice a week or however, but you should try and consume it regularly so you can have that long-term beautiful younger looking skin. So if you want to follow the recipe, just for summary reason, if you want to follow it to a T, I have mangoes, apples, and avocado, strawberry, plum, and some bananas. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything together. I like to put the hard ones at the bottom of the blender and add the soft ones um, on top. So however you want to do, you can blend it without water. I'm just gonna add a little amount of water just to keep things running, and for the consistency I like it a little bit watery, so that way it's good for me. But you can blend it and make it creamy and however you want it. I'm gonna add a little bit of cashew nuts for protein, and you can skip it if you wish. You can skip it. And there you go, your anti-aging collagen boosting formula is ready. Yeah, it's so good. It tastes good, it nourishes the skin, it's good for your overall health. It's so beneficial. So we're gonna get right into the second recipe. If you like the video so far, and do well to subscribe if you want more of this recipe. So subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. So we are into the second recipe. So I have a lot of berries, and this recipe I have strawberries and raspberries. Berries are so packed with antioxidants that slows down the aging process. It nourishes the skin. It helps you achieve that youthful and younger looking skin that you deserve. So I have my avocados that are good in healthy fats, and this recipe is gonna have a little bit of twist, although some of the ingredients are still the same, but there is a little bit of twist in it. So do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Feel free to share this video to your loved ones, and let's stay beautiful together. Okay. So next on the list is spinach. Spinach contains vitamin C and vitamin A. It contains a whole lot of vitamins and minerals, and it is so beneficial to the skin. Spinach helps get rid of acne. It is used as a natural sunscreen. It lightens up the skin. It lightens up your complexion, and it also stimulates hair growth and collagen. It helps in regeneration of your skin. Spinach is so good. It also helps in detoxification of the body. It helps to fight free radicals that cause um aging. Yeah, so spinach is so good. I think this is the a little twist I was talking about. Is spinach. I actually like the second recipe more. I like spinach, seriously. So it is so good. This recipe is so rich. It's nutrient dense. If you incorporate this in your diet, you would see your skin glow. You would see your skin like so beautiful. Trust me. So this is basically the last ingredient, which is coconut water. Coconut water is packed with age reversing vitamins and antioxidants. It is so good. It's rich in a lot of vitamins. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It increases skin hydration and elasticity. It increases collagen production. Like if you want to have that um healthier and plumpy looking skin, coconut water is good for, is what you should consume. It is so good. It's packed with nutrient. So don't worry about the don't worry about the size of the juice. It is so delicious and rich. Trust me. It is so good. It tastes so good. Don't worry about the size. Don't worry about the color. It's because of the spinach. It tastes so good and it's so nutrient dense. Trust me, this is so good. If you want to achieve that young looking skin, this is what you need. So if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and always remember that when you stay healthy, you feel healthy. Whatever you put in your body is what you get back. Stay safe and blessed. Until I see you next time. Bye.